Noosh is here.
Noosh is here, finally.
Finally.
Again.
For real. It's like a thumb contact, so I can get kind of lower.
Okay.
It's your low neck, you know, where you have to kind of push that way. Okay.
Wow. See?
That was wild.
That was crazy.
Yeah, you can feel that too. There she is.
Wow.
Wow.
Just another level.
Like your upper back is just stiff, you know. It's all that social media you're doing. The shoulders. There you go. That was good. Nice sound effects there. There you go. Loosey goosey. There it is. Yeah, there it is. There you go. Perfect. Oh, that blew up. Whoa.
Like, what is a crack?
Oh, wow.
Oh my gosh.
Touch the neck, Noosh.
Dude,
that
I
was...
see my neck is longer, like 5 inches. Wow.
This is the greatest creation of all time, seriously.
It's nice.
I'm just gonna fall asleep here. The comfiest
Yeah.
pillow I've ever. Thank you. Good night.